El Paso County health officials are reporting a slight uptick in COVID-19 cases ahead of the Easter weekend.
It precedes one of the most attended holidays in the church calendar. KRDO News Channel 13's Chelsea Brensel is live outside New Life Church, where the senior pastor expects the church's largest crowds since the pandemic began. Chelsea.
New Life Church is preparing right now for 18 services this weekend from Good Friday to Easter Sunday. Meanwhile, county health officials are urging the community to still adhere to those pandemic guidelines, as we've seen an increase in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations in the last few weeks.
Probably the biggest downer of our time last year was not being together for Easter Sunday. It was the first time in my life that I did not gather with the church on Easter Sunday.
Senior Pastor Brady Boyd of New Life Church thinks this Easter weekend will be different than the last.
This year is going to be a great amount of excitement around the city. A lot of pastors feel like that their church is going to show back up.
New Life Church services will be streamed online for those who can't attend. Boyd says they are expecting a larger turnout for their 18 services, and pandemic guidelines will still be followed.
We're not going to get reckless just because it's Easter Sunday. So we're still trying to be safe, but we do expect overflow crowds. We expect our biggest crowd of the year.
El Paso County health officials say cases and hospitalizations still aren't where they need to be to loosen COVID-19 dial restrictions.
Right now, we're still in yellow. In order to get to blue, we need that positivity to be below 5%. It was there for 10 days, and most recently, unfortunately, it has sort of had a slow uptick.
While hospitals are still reporting good capacity, health officials say they've recently seen an increase in coronavirus hospitalizations too. The other key to opening back up is lowering El Paso County's incidence rate, which currently stands at a 7-day average of around 141 people out of 100,000 testing positive for COVID-19.
This Monday, we're farther from blue than we were last Monday, and we want to get closer and closer. To do that, we need to get our incidence below 100.
The El Paso County Public Health Department is still awaiting official health guidance from the state for Easter weekend. For now, they are asking everyone to wear masks and social distance around people if you're around people outside of your household. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Chelsea Brensel, KRDO News Channel 13.